This is a simple but necessary step to prep our barrels for the gun drill. We call it turning ends at the shop, and the first step is to face off the end and remove the saw tooling marks left by the saw. After we have faced off the end, we will take the inch 281 and turn it down to inch 271 for the collar in our gun drill. Checking it to make sure it's to spec. Next, I'm going to face off the other end, but I don't need to turn it down as this is just going into a chuck on the drill. No dimensions needed. I don't go past the center line so I don't break my tool. Chamfering the edge so there's no sharp edges. And that's pretty much all we do. If you want to see any other videos of what we do manufacturing barrels, check the link in my description.